Hi everyone, I'm Robin Sinha from Hindustan Times Tech, and in this video we will be talking about Samsung Galaxy M21 and its features. Now this device comes in two variants, which is 4GB plus 64GB, which we have with us right now, and 6GB plus 128GB. So let's get started. And this is the Samsung Galaxy M21 smartphone. Like we said before, this is the 4 plus 64GB model and the blue color variant. You can also get it in black and 6GB plus 128GB model. And as you can see at the back, there are three cameras, one of which has a 48 megapixel primary sensor, and there is also a physical fingerprint sensor at the back. On the underside, you can see that there is a Type-C port along with a mono speaker and 3.5mm headphone jack. While on the right side, there is a power button, and above that are the volume rockers. At the front, you can see that there is a notch on top of the screen along with the speaker grills. You get a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus screen with 16 million color depth. You also get an Octacore Processor, which is clocked at 2.3 GHz and 1.7 GHz. And along with that, you get 4GB of RAM, 64GB of inbuilt storage, and an option to expand the inbuilt storage up to 512GB using a micro SD card. So this dual SIM device runs on Android 10 based One UI, and its highlight are the three rear cameras that include a 48 megapixel sensor, an 8 megapixel sensor, and a 5 megapixel sensor with f2, 2.2 and 2.2 aperture. On the battery front, you get a massive 6000 mAh battery, which usually you don't see in any other smartphone in this price range. And along with this, Samsung claims the Galaxy M21 can run for up to 22 hours on internet usage time and up to 29 hours on video playback time. So guys, that was our quick look at the features of the Samsung Galaxy M21 smartphone. Now this is Samsung's one of the latest budget handsets that comes with three rear cameras, a fingerprint sensor, and a massive 6000 mAh battery. I'm Robin Sinha, and I'll see you soon.